morning. It's Wednesday, November 29th. I can't believe it. And the sun is coming up and it's absolutely a gorgeous morning out. It's really, really, really nice. Well, we're on our way to our first stop and Ron noticed that there's a dishwasher waiting for us. So we turned around and we're gonna get this beauty onto the trailer and then go pick up our... Okay, we're coming up to our next stop and we have a dishwasher and bowls and what else? All that?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Okay.
I have room up there. Okay, you
Well,
can take that.
All right. Well, we decided to come down this back lane because we have to turn around, and lo and behold, another dishwasher just waiting for... Okay, so we're going down another back lane and we're going to see... Oh, there's a railing. Okay. Oh man, we're finding stuff today. Okay, we're making our way to the scrapyard and we decided to come down one of the back lanes.
And look what we found. Whole bunch of stuff.
What did you find? Odds and sods?
I don't know.
Oh, I think it was a light fixture. And it's so beautiful out. Okay, we're off again. Do we have any more room?
No.
Do we go down back
We
lanes?
have no more room. We're full.
That's good.
As Sharon would say, there's not enough room to put a stick in there.
Spending time with Dash here. He's all alone. His friend is Zip is out with his big friends, and Dash is here, so I'm giving him some loving today. Yeah. Hey Dash. You coming to me? Hey, yes you are. Yes you are. Hi, big boy. Oh, there you go. There you go. What is it? What is it? Oh, you just want some love and say you just want some love. Oh, yes. Yes, you love your picture. You love the video. Yeah. Yeah. We're coming up to our next stop, and what do we have here, Ron? We have an ironing board. What the heck is that thing? Huh, okay. All right. know what this is, this thing here, but I'll take that for him. Oh! That's all. It fell apart. There's my man. Can you? Oh, you can handle an ironing board. Okay.
Well, it doesn't open up on me.
Oh, it's not going to open up.
And this is my buddy. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Is it? I know your name. Chevy. And Chevy likes cookies. He's 11 months old. And he's already a big boy. Look at that. And he's here at Sage Hill Stables being the protector. Oh, he wants another one. My God. Here's a full cookie. Yeah, I'm not cheap. You get a full cookie. Okay, we'll see you later, buddy.